So let's start with the analysis of the Bitcoin price. The streaming starting here at in 2 minutes, but I'm a little bit earlier. Let's see how many people come here to the live stream. We wanna look here today to gold and to Bitcoin price. Here are some structures. They are really good, really exclusive, so that we can see here some structures, and I think it is worth to look here to the chart, yeah, to look in which direction these two kind of assets will go. Now, let's start with the gold price. My prediction for the gold price is $5,000. The reason is we have here a wonderful uptrend, yeah, what many people not see. If you look, we have the first uptrend here. Yeah, you see, we have here a really big or good uptrend. Yeah, then the price drops here. Let me look, $900. Then we have here $200. Yeah, you can see the gold price goes here at 90.80, very hard, very sharp to the downside. Yeah, $900 and $200. Yeah, nearly 70-80% is going to the downside. Then you can see here a stable situation of the gold price. Yeah, and you can see here the panic and the really, how can I say, the really panic of the people. They're selling here the gold price from 400 to 200, and then the big bang is coming. Yeah, you can see 100, 1,800. So now we looking here to our uptrend again. You can see our uptrend is going more to the upside. First test, second test, yeah. And now it's getting interesting. From this point, 2000, again, sharp downtrend, yeah, 2000, nearly 100% or 80% again, 80%, 80%. So, and now a little bit different to this year. You can see sideways movement, what we have here, no sideways movement. That means the price is going up, yeah. And these are key information for us in which we see that the Bitcoin price and the gold price will pump really hard to the upside. Yeah, you can see price is going sideways, price is going up, and this is not the only indicator. I say this to you very simple that you understand. For me or for others, we have another indicators to see that the price is going really up. This is only for you that you understand. For simple, we have also simple um, yeah, members or people who look here to my channel that they understand this. Yeah, we have really good indicators that give us the information. Okay, if we break here this structure, you can see we touch this 1, 2, 3 times. Yeah, these are tests. Yeah, and that means if we make here our last retest, if we make at the moment the last retest, then the price will go up. That means the next target of the gold is 2,200, and we're going here sideways, and we have then here left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, and the price will fly to 3,000. Yeah, we will get a structure like this. So now we're looking back to our uptrend here. You can see this uptrend starts here at 1962 and goes to, let me look, 2023. Yeah, you can see if we're drawing the line, then this line shows us September 2024. This line shows us June 2023. That means in June, 1 month later, we have maybe 2,200. yeah, the gold price. But in the end of the day, we get here a really big left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. And if this will turn out, then we have here a really good pattern. That means important is that we break here this structure here. Look here. Yeah, this will happen. If we break this, then this pattern is then fulfilled, and that gives us the power to go here to 5,000. Yeah, 5,000 is coming. So after that 5,000, the price will go here to the downside, very sharp. So I would say we lost here 80%, 80%. From 5,000, 80%, I not believe the price will come back to maybe, let's say 3,500. If this is not hold, then we could make here a sharp retest. That means, look here. If you look here, 4,000, then we are landing at 2,800. Yeah, so something like that. But this is later, so I think in 7 years or 6 years we are here. But not must have. Not have to. Not have to. Yeah, so we could get also a structure like this. We have to look. So we switch to Bitcoin price. Now we're looking here to the Bitcoin price. You can see 20,950. At these levels, I said to my members here exactly at 16,000. Some of the people predict here 8,000. Yes, we had 8,000 situation at some levels like here. Yeah, it is also valid to predict the 8,000 here. But at these moments here, I saw the manipulation, and I said clear at the point here, 29th of December, the price will fly. I said, okay. And then after I'm announcing the price is flying to 23,000. Yeah. So we have the structure here. After the high, we made here retest at 20,000. And you see what happens here. After 20,000, the price flies to 30,000. Now we have a similar situation here. Retest here, retest here. So for me, the price will fly. This is simple to read here the chart. We have the similar structure like here. What not clear is you see we had here the situation a little bit sell off. I said okay, from this point 21,400 here, I said from this point we will go really hard to the upside. What happens? The whales manipulate the price here a little bit to the downside. That means 21,000, yeah, 20,000, 1,000 to the downside. So we have here this is a similar situation. We sit here on these levels. So calculate here 1,000 manipulation. That means 25,900 or 25,500. Yeah. So that is what I have in my mind. So, but if we zoom in really, really detail, then if I look to my experience and if I look to my predictions and if I look here to the negative channel, then we are out of range. Yeah. So at the moment, not we are in a big negative trend, but if you analyze this in detail, then we are out of range. Yeah. So from this point, we have to pump. Yeah. Okay, to say from this point we get here really sell-off. I said this also here in my live stream here at the moment. You have to calculate this. Makes sense. If we get here a really big sell-off, then we will landing here at these levels. Yeah, but I not believe in that. Maybe it can happen. Yeah, let's say 1,000 or 1,500 to the downside, then we are finished. Yeah, because this formation here give us the information we have to fly. Yeah. So, but I'm from the experience, I not believe in that. Yeah. So for me, it's clear this will not happen. But rest risiko is here. Can happen then 20% that the whales put this point here to the downside, but I believe it will fly directly, yeah, because the structure is so manipulated here. You can see the spike here, and if we once go out of channel here like this, let me look, make this orange, only one time to 27,300 and make this, yeah, then everything is finished. That means the price will pump really hard. Let me look, yeah, like this. So I look to the live chat. Hello together. If you have wishes, yeah, if you say, okay, I want that you analyze this crypto, you can write this in the chat. We can look to, I would say, 5, 6 cryptos and look how performance or what kind of performance this crypto has. Yeah. Thank you all. Hi together. So give me some cryptos, then I can look to these cryptos, then we can see what kind of performance these cryptos has. So I'm waiting for you. I know this live stream is a little bit spontaneous, yeah. So I not announced this earlier, but I think um, in 10 or 30 minutes more people come to the chat. Let's look to Chili's. Chili's is a really good crypto. The Chili's holders are a little bit frustrated. Yeah. Let me look. We can look here to a good. So wonderful structure. Yeah. So if you look to this structure, look how beautiful this is. Yeah. First, if I look to the chart, yeah, then for me it's relatively easy to understand the chart. I see here W pattern. That means chilies will fly. If we zoom out, yeah, then you see here another W pattern, a big W pattern here. Yeah, this kind of information give us really hot information. This is not the only indicator. If I look to the chart, there's a lot of indicators. Yeah, to give you a signal. Okay, this chart will pump. Yeah. So we have here our W pattern, and let's draw here the negative trend, the negative trend line here. Yeah, you can see this was our negative trend line, and Chili's is out of range. That means you can see we broke here our negative trend line. Yeah, that means look how beautiful is this. You can find the money on the street if you understand how you can read the chart. Yeah, and many of the people not understand the membership. So in my YouTube channel, you have the memberships, and you can request your crypto, and you know exactly this crypto will pump. So this is for us W pattern. We will fly to this, then we get here left shoulder, head, and right shoulder formation, and we will go here. So with this information, you have now the possibility to make here 100%. Yeah, 100%. Invest 10,000, sell here 20,000. Yeah, if you go here to 20 cent, then you have here $20,000. Yeah, so relative easy. But we will not stay here 20 cent. 20 cent is only peanuts. The price of chilies will fly, especially if we break here this structure here. Look, yeah, you can see how many times we test this. This will not hold. In the end of the day, the price will fly to 30 cent. Yeah, at 30 cent, another um, conditions are fulfilled and the price will go really hard to the upside. And exactly these informations I give my members. Yeah, in the Wolf end price target, they get the end target of Chili's. This is crazy. Yeah, this is This is crazy. The money is on the street, people. If you understand this, then you can make a lot of profit. Look, 002 and $1, yeah, and exactly this kind of information help us to find out the end target. I want to show you a little example about this. Look, do you see this? We made here a retest at 002. Exactly this retest show that the price will fly to $1. And this kind of retest now we have in big. That means this small retest is you can compare with this retest. Now you understand? Yeah. Small retest, $1, big retest. I want to not say this here, but you understand the price will fly. Yeah. So let's, because I make this, I wanna that that the people who have the membership get this information. Yeah. So if I make this in free, yeah, this makes no sense. But I can say here in the live channel that the price will fly. Really, you have here really good potential. So let's look to the next. We have a lot of requests here. We make a file coin. So let's take this chart. Yes, also a wonderful formation. Look, how beautiful is that? Yeah, you have here a really good hammer. This is really hot. Yeah, and now let's say the whales make here a last manipulation. Yeah, then we could get here a end target to the downside, $3.30. I personally I not believe in that. But you know, the whales can manipulate this. Yeah, so you have to be here very careful. So the last manipulation can happen to $3.20 levels, especially if we draw here this range. Yeah, but I would not say that this will happen. Yeah, so let's look here more inside. So let me look here more inside. So we had here our downtrend. Important is for us this here, this structure. So if we are looking to this structure, yeah, then we can recognize this was our downtrend. Yeah. So normally after this downtrend, we get a uptrend, a small uptrend, and we get this, yeah, this downtrend. But you can see the whales manipulate this downtrend like this. So if a really good dump should happen, then this structure should not appear here. Yeah, it is too late for a dump. Yeah, for a dump is it was yeah it was right if we falling directly to these levels here. But you can see this was the first dump. Then the price is going sideways, and the second dump here is not happening. That means they manipulate exactly. I make this in another color. This orange line is not happening. That means they put this orange line and manipulate this. So, and you can see at the moment we are out of range here. So what kind of manipulation should happen? Um, Maybe if they manipulate here this small range and then put the price to this downside here. Yeah. So if the price stay here at $4.50 or $4.60 or $4.80, everything is okay. We build here our left shoulder, head, and right shoulder formation. The price will fly. This is what I see. But if we zoom in here and the whales manipulate exactly this here, this small thing here. Yeah, we make this in red. If we fall out of range or back in this channel and make this $3.40 for $3.30, then we have a problem. Then they could put the price here to this level. But I not believe in that. This is too late. The original, we have to make this. This is not happening. This was the last retest. We are out of range, so the price have to fly. So we're looking to Gala, and these are informations or kind of analyze. You can see in which levels we are. Yeah, so 99% we are finished, so we have to fly. Yeah, 99 finish. So uh, make no sense to put that the price is going here to the downside. It is too late. It is too late. At Gala, we have a really good situation. Look here to if you want invest here big money, then it's not financial advice, but it makes sense to invest the big money after 0.004 or 0.005. Yeah, if the price is going to these levels here, then it makes sense to invest here big money because you can see we have here a really good structure. Look here. Yeah, you can see test, 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 and this is a good structure. The price will come never back. If the price is going to 0.005, the price will never come back. For people who say it's not no matter, yeah, for me, I can take the risk. Then the current level is the right level because you can see this was our negative trend here, and we are out of range here. Look, this is our negative trend. So if a manipulation happens, then we have to look here exactly and say, okay, this what we see here is the manipulation. We calculate that the price drops to 0.002, yeah, like this here. But it is too late. Again, to make here the manipulation is late. Maybe 10, 20%, 10, 20%. Yeah, but I not believe in that the formation is too late or we are too late. Look here to the formation. We have a wonderful left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. If this is happening and the price breaks down, there's a pure manipulation. Yeah. So from the uh, chart technical point of view, we are finished. This is a retest and we have to fly. So we're looking here to, let me look what we have here. We take this SUI. So this is a relative new crypto. Oops, yeah, too quick. So we're looking here to SUI. So now, if you want read the chart, yeah, you have a construct like this. I will make this a little bit beauty. So you have a chart like this, then you have to look to the range. Yeah, if you see here $4, you have here 0. Yeah, then you have here an angel, and that means you have to think like this. You can also take the Bitcoin chart as a reference. Yeah, we can look to the Bitcoin chart that we understand this better. Let's look here to 3 of May. Let's look. We look to the Bitcoin chart. So 3 of May was exactly this level here. So that what you see here at the SUI chart is only this. So yeah, Now we expect, or I expect that the Bitcoin price a really good pump. That means the price will fly. So we can implement this information, that what you see here in the Julie chart, and say, okay, we expect a pump of the Bitcoin price, so that we can say, okay, we need here a really good pump. You can see also from the structure, we have here a wonderful structure. That means the price have to fly. You have also the good information. If you look to this, retest, 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 and this here outbreak will not hold. We will build here our structure like left shoulder, head, and right shoulder formation. We have our left shoulder here, a big. That means that give us the information, okay, the price have to fly to $1.80. And from this point, if we break here the neckline, I expect here targets in direction of $4. But this is a relative new crypto. I would say from the experience, if we looking here to the Bitcoin price, yeah, and the price will pump really hard, and compare this here, then from experience, yeah, now only for this SUI I make here now the end target. From the feeling and from the experience is I would expect that the price goes here in this levels, $5-6, make new highs at $10, yeah, come back here, and I would say the bull market $14-16 is possible from the experience here, because we are not in the bull market yet at the moment at the Bitcoin price. That means that if the Bitcoin price pump really hard, it will happen, because the neckline of the Bitcoin price is exactly here. Give me a little time here at 36,000. Yeah. If Bitcoin breaks his 36,000, then this whole structure here will break here the whole structure. That means we will entering, it will happen, we will entering this level here. Again, the high levels here. And then we're talking about higher levels. That means here, if you break here our levels, then I expect in direction of $4-5, and the market will then fly, and then it will also affect SUI. So we're looking here to the next crypto. Let's look to Ethereum. Ethereum is the new Bitcoin price. Yeah, so people look here to 1,800 levels, and some of the people predict here 2,600, 3,000. That's not right. The structure here of Ethereum give us the information that the price of Ethereum will fly new highs. Yeah, that means compare with the Bitcoin price in the last 10 years. Yeah, and really we will get here a structure like this. The price will fly. You can see here our uptrend. That means we test here 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then a really big sell-off is coming. Why the big sell-off is coming? The reason is the wealth and the rich don't want that you make profit. Yeah. So they want that you lose money. That's the reason why at 6,000 is finished, because from this point every newspaper will write Ethereum has here a new all-time high at 6,000. Everybody will buy this, yeah, but they will sell. That's the logic, yeah. And we'll go here to these levels. I calculate here 50%. Yeah, here's a place in which you can make a lot of profit. Why this here? We need here a W pattern. That means we have to go out. And exactly this level here, I don't know the exact time, I would say 2025, 26. Yeah, makes sense. Give us the information, okay, after this W pattern here, really good construct coming out. Yeah, that means if we're looking here to our structure, from this point we need here a retest. That means for at 8,000 levels we have to go here to the downside, and then this level here is aggressive bullish. Give me a little time. That you understand, I'm not making this in every chart, yeah, for every chart. That you understand what I see and what others see. I make this for Ethereum the entire, that you understand this. So for me is here 18,000, and if we go really hard to the upside, even 30,000 is possible. Yeah, I see a chart like this. It will happen so, um, but uh, how can I say? We have to wait. Yeah, but in real, the Ethereum price will go to 30,000, and you can compare this uptrend like what we saw in the past. Let me look at 200 levels here. Yeah. If somebody come to you and say, okay, Ethereum price will go to 5,000, you would not believe. Yeah. Then you would say, okay, he's crazy. Yeah. But this is wrong. Such kind of thinking is wrong, because you can see from also in the past, also from 200, you have here clear structures. You have here a retest here. After the last retest, the price flies, yeah, and you got here levels of 5,000 from 200. Now complete another situation. We have or had our last retest here, and we built at the moment a hammer. Yeah, this will turn out like this to the upside. We have a good structure here, so give us the information. Okay, the price will fly. So, and exactly this will happen, and we will get here our W pattern. Maybe you understand this what I mean. We have here a W pattern, and we have here a W pattern. Yeah, and that give us the information. Okay, something big is coming. And interesting, after this pattern here, if the manipulation is coming out, then we get here a support 1 or 1, 2, 3. And such information you can see in the chart, and this is an aggressive bullish formation. Yeah, if you have like this, you have also this here 1, 2, 3, and you see what happens. So you have here W support. Now we're looking here to the next. I would recommend really the membership, because the members have here total different informations. Yeah, I cannot say this in the free channel, such kind of information, because for me in the world you get nothing for free. Look, this is one example here. At the moment you have here clear structures, the price will fly. This is like here 205,000, and you have here a really good um, price level 1,800. The price is stable. That means the price will go really, really hard to the upside. I calculate in 1.5 year levels of 6,000 or 8,000. Yeah, and if we're going here a little bit in direction of 2027, then 18,000 is possible. So let's look to my members or my subscribers have really good hot cryptos. Yeah, these cryptos are aggressive bullish. Here, one of them is this. This is really hot. Yeah, we have a chart we cannot see so much, but this chart give us a really good informations. We have to compare this with the Bitcoin chart that you understand this. So we're looking here to the Bitcoin chart. You can see the all-time high was here at 2021. We're looking back to this chart. You can see all-time high was here at $8. So now, if you're asking me how you can predict the end targets, you see here a clear structure. You see in the Bitcoin chart uptrend. You see the gap. We will close the gap. So now we're looking back, draw the uptrend here, and you see we have to close this gap here. So look in the free live stream, you get the information how many percent you get here. If you are at $2, then $4 is 100%, 300, 400, 600, 700% you get here in my channel. So, but the members, they get here the end target. So for me, it's relatively clear we will break here the $12, and $12 is only, I would not say peanuts, but this will make, we have to make a retest, yeah. And exactly this 12 level we have to touch and retest, and we have to go to the downside. I already explained this at the Ethereum chart. We have to go here down. You have here 50% drop. Yeah, so it's a good opportunity to make money, and after that the price will fly. And exactly, please request this in the membership, Wolf next target or Wolf end price target. I will make this, and you get here the end target. This is relative hot. Let's look here more inside, in which we can see why this crypto will, or who own this crypto, make these people, I will not say rich, but they will make here a lot of money. Yeah, you can see we have a left shoulder hat and a right shoulder formation here. And I explained, this at the Bitcoin chart. I said we are too late. Yeah, we are too late. Normally, after this downtrend, an uptrend is coming, and that what you see here in orange here, this year, is normally this. Then you can decide by yourself. Normally, that what you see here is this here, and that means, look, from now we can see this crypto will pump and fly. Yeah, and that's the reason why you can make predictions. Why, if you have my membership, why I can say to you in my membership that this crypto will fly to $4 or more. You have now the information in the live stream that the price will go here to $12, and we will get a structure like this. Look, today is Saturday, you get the information 100%. Go to the street outside and somebody, look if somebody give you 100%, but here in my channel, clear 100%. So we're looking here to the next. I would make here 2 or 3 cryptos, and then we go here to the next. Let me look. There are really good requests. Let me look. We take here. I have to drink water, because if I'm not drinking water, then my voice is going down. So let's take here Queen T. So Queen T holder. In the Queen T chart, even a blind chicken can see that the really big uptrend is coming. Why we see this? Why we expect here at the QT chart a really big uptrend is coming? The reason is at the QT chart we made a lot of retests. You can see here a really big retest we made here. Yeah. So if a manipulation comes, yeah, and a really negative information coming out, then the last price here is $56. But we learn from the other chart that we are too late to go here to the downside. Pardon. So, and if we looking here to the chart, then we can recognize that this year, that what you see here, the manipulation, we have several manipulations. Yeah, the last manipulation begins here. So if you're looking here to this last manipulation, and if we're looking to this fragment, then we can recognize we are too late. It is too late to drop. Yeah, because normally, if you count this as a drop from 120 to $120 drop, okay, then we are in a drop. Yeah, but normally you get here this uptrend and then really hard drop to the downside. And if you're looking here to the last segment here, especially to this, then you can see normally uptrend, really hard downtrend. But you can see we have here several manipulations to the sideways so that this hard drop is not happening. Yeah, that means the price is or will go out of range. Let me look. We have here our channel. So what possible is they can put the price to $100, but so what? Yeah, the price will not go here to the downside. We have a clear structure. That means if they manipulate, really, downtrend is $90. Yeah. But I expect here a pump. If this is happening, don't worry. Okay, the price is going down, so what? Yeah. But if you're looking here to the big picture, then we have to go to these levels. Especially what I like here is we have a good structure like this, left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. And then we get here a W pattern, aggressive bullish. Yeah, and that means the price have to fly, especially if we break this, then I would say we will go here to 400. If you're asking me the end target, please request this in the Wolf Enterprise target because this crypto is hot. This is, if personally, if you're asking me, I would say even the $400 is peanuts. Yeah, this is a really aggressive, wonderful crypto because we have here uptrends and the manipulation was here starting from this point downtrend, but in real, if you have data from earlier, even if you have not this, the price is going like this. Yeah, so this is if you compare this, then you have an uptrend like that. Yeah, this is crazy. So we're looking here to the next. I will make two cryptos. Let's look to what we have here. Let me look. What kind of information, what kind of crypto I can take here? Let's look to Litecoin. So at Litecoin, we have a really good structure. You can see the structure here exactly. We built here a hammer. Let's say the wells manipulate the price. Then we have the situation that the price can drop to 38 levels. Yeah. If you ask me, I would not say this can happen. Yeah. A rest risiko is every time here that they make a really hard drop to 38. I personally not believe in that, but not trusting these wells. If we zoom in, then you can see we are too late again. Yeah, because our downtrend, first downtrend was here this, our second downtrend is this. So, and if you look from the technical point of view, then we are out of range. Yeah, that means how this should look like if the drop is coming, then we are at 74. So what? Yeah, so you can see clear we are out of range. And to say, okay, the price drops here to this levels and then we make this, I not believe in that because you can see our channel was here and we are clear building our structure for a pump. That means we have a left shoulder, head, and a right shoulder. I expect this, that we're going here to 120. And if we at 120, then new areas are opening. That means we have a really good support from here. Yeah? You can see we are above this line and maybe I'll retest and then we will fly. So I'm very positive. Now I make here at the moment a prediction what I not normally make because Litecoin I not often make here in my channel. If you want, yeah, if you want make here a request, okay. So I wanna make here not the end target but a half end target that you see how powerful is Litecoin. It's not the end target. You can see we will build here our structure, and at the end of the day we will get this. This is our old world. The new world is this. So, and after this pattern, this is a W pattern. W, yes, this is a W pattern with a left shoulder head and a right shoulder pattern. Yeah, this is our right shoulder. And if this is turning out, then this will fly. I know this is difficult to understand because over the last years, people look only to this chart here and they say, okay, $40, $400, and so on. But exactly these are our retests. Yeah, exactly these are our retests to fly out of range and break the structure. So we're looking here. Okay, somebody want look to veracity. Okay. Yes, with veracity or vera, you can make a lot of money. Yeah. The reason is we have here a really good all-time high, and we have at the moment the situation that the retest is finished. You can see if we zoom out, the RSI is also good at 40. Let's look more inside. Very beautiful, very beautiful. You can make here a lot of profit. Yeah, you have here a wonderful spike. You see that we are out of range. Build here a hammer. So even a blind chicken can make at the moment money with this. You bring a blind chicken and this chicken invests here in this crypto, even this chicken can make money because we have here a left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation that bring us to these levels, and you can see we will reach this level. Then I would say we could get here a sell-off because we need here this structure and a hammer. I'm calling this a hammer. We need this, and if this is happening, then we have a really good structure for the next pump. So if you miss this, the pump here, many of the subscribers or people will write to me and say, okay, we are here at this level, what is next? Yeah, from this point, the price will fly. Yeah. So I would say we take here one crypto and then finish the live stream. You can share this live stream to your friends, become a member to see the next targets. I will also make here some extra videos also for the Evolve End Price Target members, that they get here additional support from my side. Please write your crypto, so that I can support to you or for you. Let's look to we take near and other, and then we can finish. I'm a little bit disappointed about near because the performance was not so good. Yeah, now is everything is okay. Yeah, but the whales play here really bad game for the near holder, because um, you can see the price goes to $3 and we lost here nearly 100%, not 150%, pardon. And that is sad because if you invest here, look at the beginning of the year, $1.20, the price is going 100% to the upside, then you expect here, a drop of, I would say, a little bit in direction of $2 or $1.80, that you can hold here the gains. But in real, what happens? The price drops really hard to these levels. Yeah, most of the people not buying here at $1.20 levels, they buy here at $1.80 and lost here very hard money. So from the technical point of view, again, we built here a hammer. I expect here a pump like this, and then the second pump to these levels. We need here our left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. And again, like the other cryptos, we need here this W pattern to go out of range. Yeah, but if this crypto pumping, to these levels, then new highs are coming. Let me look for near is especially this level important. Yeah, if we break the level of $3.60, a complete new door is opening. That means that the behavior what you see here, the disappointed behavior here, you will not see here. You can see $3.60, $6. That means if we break the $3.50 level, the next level is $6. So completely different area. If you want this, I can make this end target for near in the Wolf end price target, because this crypto has really big performance. This is complete crazy. You see also a wonderful structure here. This is a big hammer. This is an ending formation. The whales manipulate the price from here, and that what you see is complete manipulated. Why they make this? Because after this manipulation, a new construct will come. That means if we break the $20 levels, from here a complete different situation will come. That means then we're talking about the $20 is peanuts. You have to look to higher levels. Yeah. So if you want this, please make a request in the Wolfram price target. We're looking here to other, and then we will close the live stream. Wonderful. If you want more analysis, please make a direct request to me, yeah, or go over the membership and get your end target here. People, other will shock the people, yeah, because the structure is not normal. Beginning from 12 cent, you have to, if you want to understand this chart, you have to look to this. So kind of like this. We have a big hammer. Yeah. You see what happens here if we got here a small hammer. Small hammer. What happens after the small hammer? The price goes here really 200 times, or to $3, 200% to the upside, or more. 200 times, not percent. And you can see small hammer. This was the effect. Now we have the complete different situation. We have a big hammer. That means the price have to fly to $1.20, build the structure here, go to the next level, to $2 levels, and I think at $2 levels we will stay a little bit. Yeah, this is too early to break out. Even if we get here the good situation, that we test here the $2 levels, but in the end of the day we need a structure like this here. Give me a little time. So we need this structure. We need here a retest of this level. This is one possibility. If the whales manipulate really good, then we could get a formation like this, $1.40, and after this hammer, the price will fly to $3.50. Now, for you, important to understand, the $3.50 is not the end target. This is our neckline. That means we have here, from the beginning 2018, a really good uptrend. Yeah, people, that you understand this. This is our uptrend. And exactly at $3.50, $4, we have our neckline. And that is what people not understand. If we predict here higher levels and say, okay, the price will go to $4 and so on, that is possible to see these targets. Yeah? And here in the live stream, I can give you the information $4. But in real, this crypto will fly. Yeah. If we break here, it will happen. So we cannot talk about if this is happening or not. It will happen. The $4 we will break the $4 and then the price will fly. Exactly. Please request this in the Wolf end price target. Then you get here the end target. The structure is total super. This will fly. Like what we saw in the past, the price was here at 20 cents and the price flies to $3, $4 levels. This was our retest. Here we will get our W pattern, and if this turn out, it will turn out, the price will fly. So I'm finished. If you need support, write me, come in the live streams, ask me questions. I mean, look, which how can I say? If I look to my subscribers and ask my subscribers, which of from you, who from you would predict here $4? Yeah, so it is, how can I say, a hard work, to predict this. Yeah, we have here our clear structures, and it is wonderful to see this that is coming and turning out. Let me look. So other will break from this range. You can see clear retest, retest, test, and go here to lower levels, and then break out and fly. So I'm finished, people. Have a nice day. See you in my channel. Support the channel, become a member. I will make here new updates. Also for the Wolf End Price Target member, also for the Bitcoin Club members, also for the Wolf Next Target members, and see you later, I would say. Have a nice day.